Welcome, seekers of profound truth and manifestation mastery, to a transformative journey exploring the boundless world of nonlinear realities. In this video, we will delve into the power of the present moment, the art of shifting realities instantly through beliefs and time control, and the incredible ability to create your own reality through conscious choices. Prepare to unlock the secrets of instant change and manifestation as we dive deep into the realms of understanding and harnessing the extraordinary power within. With each passing moment, you will discover the limitless potential that lies within you. Our adventure begins with the power of the present moment. We will explore how embracing the now unlocks the gateway to nonlinear realities, where time and space become mere illusions. By fully immersing ourselves in the present, we tap into the infinite possibilities that lie beyond conventional perception. Manifestation, the art of shifting realities instantly, becomes our guide as we dive into the realms of belief and time control. Through conscious understanding and manipulation of our beliefs, we have the power to reshape our realities, bringing our deepest desires into manifestation with ease and grace. We will journey through the understanding that our choices, made with intention and awareness, have the power to create instant change in our lives, aligning us with the reality we envision. But how do we manifest our desires? Imagination becomes the key as we explore the realm of limitless possibility. By breaking free from time-based boundaries, we unlock the door to tapping into the quantum field of potentiality, where dreams are transformed into tangible realities. Be prepared to witness the rapid shifts, the profound transformations, and the awe-inspiring manifestations that await us on this incredible journey. Stay tuned with us till the end of the video as we dive headfirst into the realms of imagination, conscious choices, and the timeless expanses of nonlinear realities. Welcome, newcomers, to our captivating channel. If you find value and inspiration in the content we're about to share, we kindly request you to do two things. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By liking this video and subscribing to our channel, you ensure that you won't miss out on any of the transformative content we have in store for you. All right, let's begin. At first, I am going to shatter the illusion of linear time. As we delve into this realm of understanding, we come to realize that time is merely a construct, a way for us to organize and make sense of our experiences. In truth, time is an illusion, and all experiences exist outside the constraints of linear progression. Blinking into existence, we discover that everything we desire already exists in the present moment. We often chase after our dreams thinking they lie in the future or may have slipped away into the past. But, in reality, the seeds of our desires are already planted in the eternal now. By embracing the present moment, we unlock the gateway to a reality where all possibilities bloom into existence. We shift through parallel realities every second without even realizing it. As we make choices, our path branches into infinite possibilities, parallel realities where alternate versions of ourselves dwell. Each decision we make nudges us into a new reality, and it is in these subtle shifts that our world transforms before our very eyes. When we imagine the future we desire, we are not merely dreaming or wishful thinking. In that moment of vision, we are actually tapping into that specific timeline, experiencing it in the present. Our imagination becomes a powerful tool, connecting us to the vibrational frequency of our desired reality, opening doors to infinite potentialities. Remembered memories take place now. Scientific research shows us that there is no time or separation between us and our thoughts or imaginings. As we recall past experiences or envision future ones, they occur in the eternal now, blurring the boundaries between what we perceive as past, present, and future. Now we continue on a mind-expanding journey into the realm of shifting realities instantly with the power of beliefs and time control. It is possible to tap into any future timeline and shift realities instantaneously. The concept of time becomes malleable as we unlock the power of our beliefs and step into the realm of infinite possibilities. By aligning our thoughts, intentions, and energetic vibration with the desired reality, we can effortlessly traverse timelines and manifest our deepest desires. Let's unravel another profound insight. Manifestation is not about time. It is about your beliefs. Often, we associate manifestation with a specific time frame, limiting our ability to experience instant shifts. However, the true essence of manifestation lies in the power of our beliefs. When we fully embody and align our beliefs with our desires, we create a magnetic force that brings our intentions into reality, transcending the constraints of time. It's not uncommon for people to feel scared or apprehensive about big changes happening quickly. The notion of instant transformation can be overwhelming as we tend to associate change with gradual progression. However, a single decision or assumption, rooted in absolute belief and intention, has the power to cause an instantaneous change in reality despite any physical manifestation. It is magnificent to witness how a simple shift in mindset can create a ripple effect that alters the course of our lives. Imagine for a moment letting go of beliefs surrounding something could manifest. By surrendering to the natural flow of the universe and trusting the process, you open the floodgates for quicker manifestations. When you release the need for things to happen within a specific time frame, you allow the magic of synchronicity and divine timing to work in your favor. You begin to witness manifestations flowing effortlessly into your reality, almost as if they were responding to your newfound belief in instantaneous creation. Now, let's step into the realm of playing with time and accomplishing tasks faster than usual. Time, as we perceive it, can be flexible, bending to our will and intention. By tapping into a state of heightened focus, clarity, and purpose, we can enter a state where time seems to warp, enabling us to complete tasks in record time. Imagine how empowering it would be to effortlessly navigate through your to-do list, accomplishing in minutes what used to take hours. It's a magical experience that arises when we align our beliefs with the concept that time is a fluid construct. Imagine this. Every moment presents us with an opportunity to make different choices, and each choice instantly creates a new reality, separate from the one we currently experience. With every decision we make, we branch out into infinite possibilities, shaping our personal timeline. Embrace the realization that you hold the keys to your own destiny, and by consciously choosing your actions, you can navigate towards the reality that aligns with your deepest desires. The universe, in its boundless creativity, is constantly generating multiple parallel versions of Earth at once. These parallel realities exist alongside our current experience, each unfolding with its unique set of circumstances and possibilities. Just like different radio frequencies playing simultaneously, we have the ability to tune in or shift to the reality that best resonates with our intentions and beliefs. It's not uncommon for the fear of rapid change to hinder us from perceiving its manifestation in our lives. We become accustomed to gradual progress and may feel afraid of sudden transformation. But, my friend, remember this: change does not always have to be slow. Acknowledge that big changes and manifestations can happen quickly if that is what you genuinely believe to be true for yourself. Open your mind to the possibility of immediate and profound shifts and watch your reality undergo astonishing transformations. Now, let's evaluate our beliefs around change and big success. We often harbor deep-seated beliefs that limit us and keep us within our comfort zones. These fear-based thoughts and concepts act as barriers to our true potential. It's time to identify these beliefs and consciously decide which truths we choose to embrace instead. Release the grip of limiting beliefs and choose empowering beliefs that align with your greatest aspirations. Understand the undeniable power you possess in creating your own reality. Although external circumstances may appear the same on the surface, what truly matters is the energetic landscape within you. Real transformation happens when you recognize that your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions shape the reality you experience. Take charge of your internal world, cultivate positive energy, and witness the external world mirroring your inner shifts. Remember this fundamental truth: you are capable of having anything you desire. It all depends on the perspectives and truths you choose to embrace. By shifting your mindset and aligning your beliefs with the infinite possibilities available to you, you unlock the door to a reality filled with abundance, success, and fulfillment. Embrace the power of your chosen truths and watch miracles unfold. Now, let's get serious about consciously making decisions with love instead of acting out of unconscious fears or doubts. Every choice you make has an instantaneous effect on your life. Take charge of your choices, consciously embrace love, and witness the shift in your timeline towards the direction that your soul truly longs for. Our assumptions, beliefs, and perceptions shape the world we experience. By examining and understanding the power of these foundational elements, we can recognize that change is not bound by time, but can happen instantaneously. Shift your awareness towards the freedom of instantaneous transformation. Moving forward with changes within ourselves requires us to acknowledge and embrace a new reality. It is often our resistance to change and attachment to our current circumstances that hold us back. By consciously acknowledging and accepting a new reality, we open the doors to limitless possibilities and allow rapid transformations to take place. Embrace the courage to let go and step fearlessly into the unknown. To truly grasp the concept of instant change, we must practice quick shifts in thinking. Picture this: imagining things appearing instantaneously, as if our spirit is manifesting them effortlessly. This exercises our creative muscles and reminds us that time is but a construct with no real limitation on what we can manifest for ourselves. By tapping into the power of our spirit and our ability to dream up our desires, we transcend the constraints of time and dive into the realm of limitless manifestation. It's important to recognize that sometimes certain desires may have a time delay in their manifestation. This is not a sign of failure or lack of progress. Instead, it serves as a test to determine if our belief systems have truly shifted. By observing and recognizing these time delays, we give ourselves an opportunity to see the reflection of our changed selves. It becomes a space for growth, reflection, and an invitation to reaffirm our commitment to our new beliefs. Embrace these moments as opportunities for self-discovery. As we come to conclusive section of the video, remember that instant change and manifestation are not mere concepts, but powerful tools available to us. By understanding how we define our realities, embracing new possibilities, practicing quick shifts in thinking, and recognizing the lessons in any time delay, we unlock the potential for profound transformation in our lives. Today, take a moment to reflect on the power within you to create instant change. Release the constraints of time and immerse yourself in the magic of manifestation. Embrace the understanding that your dreams can materialize in the blink of an eye and trust in the unfolding of your new reality. Until we meet in our next video, keep manifesting, and this time try to manifest anything instantly. Do share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video till the end. God bless you.